It's time to reserve your WhatsApp username. Will you give your personal number to a complete stranger you just met today? Probably not. Well, WhatsApp is finally fixing that problem with one biggest privacy update. Imagine joining a school group, networking event, church community, chatting with businesses without exposing your phone number. Here's what you need to know. The WhatsApp new feature is called username. It completely changes how people connect on the app. Until now, if someone wanted to message you on WhatsApp, they needed your phone number. That meant sharing a piece of personal information with everyone you wanted to interact with. But that's about to change. Soon, you'll be able to create a unique WhatsApp username. Instead of giving someone your phone number, you simply share your username. For example, let's say you're attending a marketing conference. You meet someone who wants to stay in contact. Instead of saying, here's my phone number, you say, simply search for @Vicky Marketing. They can message you even without seeing your actual phone number, provided you have enabled this feature. For me, I feel that's a very huge privacy improvement. This update is even more useful to businesses and creators. Imagine you're running a circle or a clothing store or a restaurant or a digital agency. Instead of printing your phone number everywhere, you'll be able to promote your memorable username, like for example, at Asha Group or at Marketing Matters Podcast. It is easier to remember, it looks more professional, and it helps protect your personal number. Businesses that already use the name on Facebook or Instagram may even be able to reserve the same username on WhatsApp, creating a consistent brand across meta platforms. So the benefits of this feature is all about convenience, and it gives you more control. Unlike other social media platforms, WhatsApp says there won't be a public directory where people can search for anyone. So this it even gives more confidence. Someone must know your exact username before they are able to contact you. So the feature is available in your account, and here is how to reserve your username. You go to your WhatsApp, tap on settings, select the account, tap the username, choose a unique username. If you have a username already on your Instagram or Facebook, you can use the same. Save it and wait for the feature to become active in your country if it's not yet available. So if you don't see this option, don't worry, it's coming. WhatsApp, it's rolling it gradually over the coming months. So businesses, utilize this opportunity to make it easier for customers to connect with you without publishing your personal phone numbers.